What's going on YouTube? It's your girl ItsEvaEgo here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back, and thanks for hanging around with the Ego fam. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscription button and join the Ego fam. So in the video at the end, you guys can see that my hair was like straight. But you know, I decided in the end to change it up because I wanted something really big and curly. I didn't want to do anything bright this time because I actually did that towards the end of last year. I wanted to do something that was a little bit darker but still had a lot of color to it. So I really had a lot of fun filming this look. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then by all means, please continue to watch. Okay, for today's look, we're gonna go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did to achieve this look. Now, I've already primed my lid, done my eyebrows, and I've already set my lid. So now we're gonna jump straight into the crease color, and for that, we're gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and go in with the shade Butter and apply that to my crease first. Next, I'm going to take the same fluffy brush and go in with the shade Creamsicle and apply that just above Butter. And Creamsicle is like a mustard yellow color. I'm going to go back in with Butter and put just a little bit more into the crease. Next, I'm taking my Sephora number 19 brush and I'm going in with the shade, let's go in with Roxanne into the crease. And I'm going into my crease to deepen it with the shade Chip. Now that that's done, oddly enough, I'm going to take the dual-ended brush. This was the brush that came in with the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette, and I'm jumping into the shade Central Park, which is a deep brown shade, and I'm literally going to carve out my crease and define it as well. And you can pretty much see what that's doing. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with another fluffy brush just to get rid of any harsh lines. So now I'm going to take the round fluffy brush and go in with the shade Enchanted, which is a very deep forest green, and that's what I'm going to use on the outer V of my lid. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to take a round fluffy brush and diffuse the edges. And the way I diffuse my edges is I like to angle the brush upward so that I can move a little bit of the product and spread it out. And you see how that works. Now another dual-ended brush. This is the one from the Urban Decay Vice palette, and it has this kind of dense flat brush on the end, And I'm going in with the shade Hunts, and I'm going to sweep that from where the green, from where Enchanted stops, and I'm going to bring that forward across the lid. And I'm just patting it on. Even though this is a matte shade, I just find that depositing the color works better when you pat it on versus sweeping it on, because you don't want to move any of this color like we did when we diffused Enchanted. And you see I'm bringing this almost to the corner of my eye. So I'm going to take my NYX mixing medium with a Q-tip and apply some of the mixing medium just a little bit, not a lot, because of this little small area right in the corner. I'm going to take a pencil brush, go in with my Fenty Beauty and Trophy Wife, and deposit Trophy Wife right here in the corner and blend it right into my orange. Okay, so this is the base for the eyeshadow look itself, and now what I'm going to do is go ahead and beat the rest of my face. I'm going to do my foundation, color correcting, concealer, all of that stuff, and then I'll be right back and show you guys what I use for the under eye. Alright guys, so I am back. Your girl done beat the rest of her face and popped on a wig and all that stuff. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner, and of course you guys already know that I use the Double Take eyeliner by Tarte Cosmetics, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I went on ahead and lined my lids, and I also lined my bottom lid just with a simple black. Now I'm going to go back into my palette, and I'm going to use the shade Enchanted with a smoky eye brush, and we're just going to smoke out the bottom. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to go in with number 6, and this is by Black Up. This is a really bright orange shade here. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to take my fan brush, and I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, or this is the Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to go in with the shade Healer, and Healer is a really nice mint green color. So we're going to go in there, and let's see how this turns out. Okay, I like that. That's nice. Now I'm going to take a flat fluffy brush and go in with the same shade that I used to highlight my cheeks, and which is Healer, and I'm going to dust that on the brow bone, of course, to give it that pop. Ooh. Ooh. I like how that came. Yeah, I like how that came out too. I've never done like a green highlighter. That looks really nice. I'm gonna put some at the tip of the nose. Just a little bit there. Okay, we're not gonna go too wild and crazy. Dip the tip of the brush in and dust it down the center of the nose. Not too much, but just enough. I think what I'm going to do is take my glitter. This is a liquid crystal body liner, and this is by NYX, and this is in the shade Crystal Gold. And I think I'm going to put a line of it underneath my brows. I've never done this before. This is something new. Okay, so what I'm going to do is line my lips with MAC's Chestnut Lip Pencil. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use Missy Lynn by BH Cosmetics. It does not have a shade on there, but it's the really deep dark brown shade. This is the first one here. That's the color of this lipstick. So this is very creamy too. For mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline's Big Shot Colossal. What is it? The Colossal Big Shot and Baddest Black. This is a combo, the collab that Shayla did. And we're just going to put a layer of mascara on the top lashes and the bottom. Okay, so I decided to change the hair a little bit because I wanted something really big and, you know, face frame fitting, I guess, or face framing. I wanted something very big and curly. So yeah, I changed the hair. This is just some old synthetic wig that I had lying around. Nothing special. This is the final look. All right, that's the final look, you guys. I had a lot of fun creating this look. And so yeah, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the uploads that I put on my channel. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media right here, and give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. If you do the look, then just go ahead and tag me in your IG post so I can see it, because I really want to see how you guys recreate this look. But yeah, so that's about it. That's it. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching this tutorial. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.